morning. It's day 2 of our road trip. Kasi kahapon, day 1. Consider day 1 kahapon. Kaya first day namin kahapon dito. So day 2 ngayon. It's morning. It's around 7:44 a.m. dito sa Harvey Heights, Alberta. So nag-prepare kami ng breakfast. Say hi.
Hi.
So, kain namin. Yan si Mom. Your kids. Yan si Sir. So, ito yung labas ng condo unit. Yan. So, may planned activity kami ngayon. Breakfast muna, mag-prepare, tapos pupunta na kami in 1 hour, siguro in 2 hours. So, yan. Kakain muna kami ng breakfast. So, kape. Thank you. Ilan? Wala?
Hello, sir.
So, 9 a.m. na. Punta muna ako sa sakyan kasi yung snow sa windshield linisan ko pa. Yan. So, nag-snow kagabi nga. Ito, powdery talaga. Yan. Powdery snow. So, kasi hindi ko bili na scraper. Yan. 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 Ito na ginagamit ko. Hi. Ow. Whew. Kamu na. Yan. Ginaw. Yan. Ginaw. Sag tayo sa loob. Paandarin ko muna kasi para matunaw yung ice or at saka snow. Whew. Tapos front at saka rear. Yan.
Alright, we're on our way to Banff Gondola. Doon kami mag-lunch sa Sky Bar Restaurant. So, nabook to namin, I think last month pa. And, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung binayaran natin? I think we paid around $400 US.
Sa amin
sa sa amin sa 6 of us.
And then lahat na yun.
Yeah,
package.
Kasama na yung pagsakay ng gondola and then yung lunch. So, sulit na din kasi 6 na. For 6 people na
yung 600? $400 US?
$400 so $600 Canadian dollars. So, yeah, yun yung unang activity namin for today. And then, tapos after nun, magpasyal-pasyal na lang kami dun sa downtown. And then, bukas it's another full day of, I think, magsiski daw kami. And then, yun. So, yeah. Napaka-winter pa dito. I don't know when nag-start ng spring, napaka-kapal pa ng snow.
Two-way ba ni? Two-way, no?
Yeah, kasi you came over here, diba? Nasuot mo ka na rin. Ano ka na lang? Oh, by two-way. So, yeah, magpapagas muna kami, then after yan, punta na kami dun.
Huh? Yeah. Let's go inside, guys. Kids? Don't be scared. Alright.
Come on. Thank you.
Thank you.
I haven't been in a gondola for a while. I haven't been here for a while since I've first been here.
Yeah. It's been a few years, I think.
We never tried this one. Oh no, we tried once.
Okay. I hope I won't get dizzy.
Me too. I don't like heights.
I like heights.
Yay!
I wanna look.
Yeah, sure, you can. Look. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Whoa! Look at this.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Nice over there.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna
So
fall.
I think we're going beyond the clouds.
Oh yeah.
Not, yes.
Oh!
Okay.
Hi. This is.
I don't like heights.
This kind of gives me memories.
I know.
Yes. I think we rode one in
Look at where-
Atlanta.
Yeah, we're higher than the trees.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I wish I could touch them, but I can't.
I'm not breathing.
Oh my goodness! Look at how high that looks.
I know, right?
Down.
No, it won't.
Okay, so can you not be negative?
Sorry, I just feel kinda. Not actually word, but kinda.
Wow.
So can you move over here? Move over here. I'm gonna take a picture of her.
So, yan.
Very scary.
So, nasa clouds na
Uy,
kami.
nag-hike ko.
Where? Oh, so there's a hiking trail here. Look, I don't know if you can see it. Yan, may mga nag-hike.
I'm feeling a bit.
Yan, may nag-hike pala dito.
John, so
Wow.
can you stop being negative?
Wow.
It's not funny.
Wow.
Funny.
Yeah, but stop wishing that one.
I'm not wishing.
Why are you saying it?
Yes. So, yung dalawa nag-argue kasi, I don't know, takot. Yan! Wow! So, we're in the clouds now. I don't know how many minutes more. But, yeah, this is really nice.
Probably 30.
30? No, I don't think so.
Let's see how many
1
minutes
hour?
is the gondola ride.
No. Wow.
It feels like 1 hour.
It's really nice. Nandito na kami sa taas. So, ito yung makikita. Yan. Hey! Ah? Ah? Now let's go up. So where are we? Like,
You want this or?
let's walk. I don't want another one. Let's walk.
Let's look for some Robux back and the bag of this.
Huh? Yeah, we're gonna buy later.
So, napaka-cloudy ngayon dito sa Sky Bar. Hindi namin makita yung yung mountains. So, yeah, sayang. Sana mag-clear maya-maya. Pero sunny naman, pero cloudy lang. Kasi sobrang taas na pala nito. So, yeah. We'll see later if mag-clear pa.
So, nandito kami sa Sky Bistro sa isang restaurant dito sa gondola, sa top ng bundok. So, ito yung we already paid for this. So, ito yung choices nila. Tingnan ko kung makikita niyo. Ayan.
So
I can already
clears
start
up,
to see the
it
top.
clears up a little bit later.
A little bit later, usually. Yes, in the morning.
I'm drawing my body.
Well, usually more like this.
Fingers crossed, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. So of course we're doing the Sky experience today, so I'd just like to go over that briefly, make sure we know what all's included with that. So with our Sky experience, that'd be a 2-course meal. You have 1 starter, 1 main course. Starters would be anything above the main courses, so either salad or soup. You will note as well we do have some enhancements at the bottom. That's just anything you'd like to add in addition to your meal.
Okay.
Typically what I recommend for starters, I'd say the seafood chowder as well as the cabbage salad. The chowder, that's something that's been on our menu for quite some time, so it's been tweaked. In my view, this rendition, it's been perfected. It's really good. A lot of premium ingredients all in one bowl. It's very rich, creamy. As far as the cabbage salad is concerned, I'll let you in on a little secret. I don't really like cabbage, I don't really like salad, but this is absolutely exceptional. It's a really great dish. So what it is, it's a wedge salad. We blanch it just to bring forward its actual sweetness, pair it with a maple mustard dressing. You'll have some grated Asiago cheese on top, as well as some macadamia nuts and nori rice that we've soaked in cider vinegar. Adds an extra layer of sharpness. It's really good. As far as main courses are concerned, I'd say beef burger and rancher's pie. Of course, here in Alberta, that's what we do best. We're world renowned for our beef. The characteristics that we're known for, it's very rich, very lean. The burger is exceptional, as is the rancher's pie. The rancher pie, that's a newer dish on our menu. It's our take on a shepherd's pie, and then we use short rib that's been slow cooked for 12 hours in red wine and herbs. Very good. Last dish I want to mention is just the smoked salmon. That's the closest thing to a breakfast style option. So you'll have a potato pancake with some dill cream cheese, 1 layer of smoked salmon on top. Add 1 more of that, and then you'll have some micro celery, salmon roe, and pickled red onions as well on top. It's really nice. Right. Just for the kids' meals as well. So that would be a 2-course meal as well, but it would be with a kids' meal and then 1 kid's dessert.
Okay.
Awesome. But I'll give you a moment to settle in.
Do you have any desserts option?
Absolutely. I can bring a dessert menu over.
Okay. Sorry.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll have the seafood chowder and the rancher's pie.
And I'll have the cabbage and the beef burger, please.
I'll have the seafood chowder and the smoked salmon.
And can I have the cabbage and beef burger, please? Thank you.
Kids?
What's the rest of it?
I have the butter pasta.
Same.
And the dessert, what would be your
Oh,
dessert?
I'll just have some vanilla ice cream.
And your dessert?
Let me see my dessert. I'll get ice cream sandwich. Wait,
Okay, you can.
could I actually have a raspberry sorbet? Thank you.
All right. So yan, nag-hike na kami from isang peak, pupunta ng isang peak dito. Yan. Kakakahingal din.
Throw my snow bun.
Oh, the baby is so cute.
Maliit na bagay. Oh.
So, papunta pa dun yung hike namin. We're just pacing ourselves. So, we're now on top. Nasa taas na kami. Yan, may mga tao din dito. And this is the view on top. Kung nakita ba? Yan. Yan. Wow. Wow, wow. Medyo cloudy. Ayan.
Naglain akong paminaw diyan. Mga bata. Don't.
So, tapos na kami pa... Ang tawag dito? Paakyat sa... Pababa dito sa hill. So, pababa na. Napaka-hirap umakyat kasi sobrang elevated. Hindi kami sanay sa lugar. So, yeah. Hinihingal kami. Nagtitake kami ng pause while going up. So, ngayon pababa na. So, yung obstacle na yung kasi slippery. So, maingat pa din kami sa pagbaba kasi madulas yung stairs. Pero maganda yung view. Pwede na lang nakakuha kami ng mga shots kasi bigla na lang yung may clouds, bigla na lang nagka-cloudy. So, may mga shots na kami na nakita yung Canadian Rockies. So, we're good. So, tingnan nyo yung gano'n ka. Hindi naman gano'n. Yung slippery no. Yung stairs. So, dahan-dahan lang talaga kami. So, pag akit naman dito, hindi malamig. Mainit kasi walang hangin. Kaya nagtanggal ako ng 2 jacket. So, naka-heat-tech lang, saka naka-jumper. So, yeah. Pag walang hangin, hindi siya malamig.
So, yan. Pababa na kami. Hindi na ganong hingal. Pero, kahit nasa taas na, mas mainit sa taas.
Kasi
sa itaas pala, kaysa baba. So,
kasi
yan.
I think kasi we're climbing stairs or something.
Yeah.
Burning colors.
So, yan. Kinuha na ni Alison yung coat niya.
2 coat. Kasi pinagpawisan ng kilakilakaw.
Yeah, so, mga kuwan siguro to. Mga, sabi nila, 40 minutes. Oo nga. Hindi siguro. Mga 15 or 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Tapos, nagsastop pa kami kasi nagpipicture. So, madali lang. Pero yun nga, hindi kami sanay na. Kaya medyo hingal. Pero nawala din yung hingal. Pag naka-adjust na. Yan, madami ding tao dito. So, yan. Yan. Yung mga companions namin. Yan. So, yung kung makikita ba, yung building na yan, doon kami nagpipicture-picture, tapos yung mga restaurants nandyan. So, yeah, doon kami nag-lunch. So, yun. Napakaganda ng Alberta talaga. My goodness, Canadian Rockies. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. In terms of geography, yung beauty of nature. Napakaganda. Alberta. Banff. So, nandito na kami sa loob. Diyan kami nag-hike. Ayan. May trail. Papunta doon sa tuktok ng bundok na yan.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get.
So, kada lugar na pinupuntahan namin, bumibili talaga kami nito. Hindi pwedeng wala to. Yan. Yung magnet sa fridge. So, yan. Bibili kami ng isa. Yan. So, marami-rami na din kami, pero yan, nag-collect kami ng mga ganyan.
We get in a car and drive someplace far. Yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want.
So, yan. Tapos na kami dito sa gondola. Banff Gondola. So, uuwi na sana kami, pero may nakita kaming yan. May parang lodge or bahay dito. Napakaganda ng view. So dito muna kami. Ayan. Ganda talaga ng Canadian Rockies. My goodness. Ayan. Yung dalawa. Sky, be careful there.
I am. Sky. Sorry. Let's go.
Ayan. Ganda, ganda.
So pagbalik namin dito sa sasakyan, may ticket kami. Kasi kailangan pala ng bank park pass, hindi namin alam. So, ikaw na lang ako. So, yan, binigyan kami ng ticket.
Our first time getting a ticket again.
Yeah.
Like we have a first time of everything bad.
Yes, anong kailangan natin gawin?
So, they are required us to immediately obtain a park pass at the National Park Information Center, a park entry gate, or a campground kiosk. Please present this notice when buying your pass. So yeah, so pinagbigyan
ng information center.
Yeah. So nandito na ako sa Banff Visitor Center. So no one knows. So, yan yung visitor center nila. So, tapos na kami magbayad para sa pass. So, dito pala, sabi ng staff doon na...
Ano yun? Per day?
$22 per day.
Per day. Okay.
So, sabi niya, sa pagpasok pala ng Banff, dapat may pass ka na. So, pagpasok nyo dito, dapat punta kayo sa visitor center muna para magkuha ng pass. The pass is $22 Canadian dollars per day. So, dahil kami dito ay 3 days kami dito magsistay. So, yung nabayaran namin is $66. So, yun. So, yan yung dapat nakalagay daw siya sa windshield. Or, yeah, windshield. Kasi, para yun yung ano nila na nakabili ka na ng masasabi ko lang ng pass. So, yeah.
Head south toward Caribou Street.
So, nandito na kami sa Bow Falls. Nandito pa rin sa Banff area. Napakaganda dito. Look. Yan. The Rockies. Tapos, may river siya. Tapos, yan. May falls. Hindi ganong mataas. Hindi ganong mataas. Pero, ang ganda dito. So, yan. Dito muna kami. Mag-picture-picture. Tapos, pagkatapos dito, mag-dinner siguro. Tapos, uwi na. Anong pinipicturean mo dyan, ma'am?
Nature.
Ano?
Nature.
Nature?
Yes. The beauty of nature.
Beauty of Alberta, Canada. Ha? Ang mga taga ko diha, oy.
Dali, magyaka ka ba sa snow? Picturean ta ni Jan, be.
Bantay bitaw mag-away mo niya, ha? Ngani mga kandi-kandi niya. Ako gagawa ngayon, eh.
Anong gagawin natin? Snowball?
So, yeah, let's demonstrate the snowball effect. Alright. Alright. So, can you explain what you're doing, sir?
I don't know. I just saw the other kids doing it. So, it worked.
Yeah, so, ito yung tinatawag nila yung snowball effect. Oh, lumalaki talaga, no? Wow! Ang galing, ah.
Oh, sir,
nice.
take your seat.
May mahayang mo dito, eh. Uy, mahayang ka, Damel.
Oh, Jan.
Yan. Wait. Yan. Wow. Parang stuntman ah.
Slow mo.
Nag-video mo ko.
Ready?
Ato sa taas ni Dagway man.
Sige. Okay. Ready?
Go. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nindot, ako daw. Ah! Iceberg. Okay, itong isa. Whee! Wow. Eh, yang malaki.
Disposal din. Wala na.
Wala na.
We have a rock to make it more flatter. See? Jensen, just got more snow and start packing. Okay. I got a little piece.
There. See? Done.
Let's see if
Okay.
it's...
Oh, take a picture. Jansen and Sky. Okay.
Whoa, that's nice. Nice, guys.
I just said this, a snow day. I'm just kidding.
Hold on, I'm gonna make us some snacks to eat or whatever. We're gonna slice them. Would you like some liquid?
Yeah.
Kaya kira na din mo kuha na siya kagaya sa light.
You saw nothing.
Wow.
Oh, they steak you day. Rib eye. Yeah.
See what they have for
So, tapos na kami kumain. Pupunta lang kami ng grocery store para bibili ng mga supplies namin. Then, uuwi na kami sa bahay after. So, yan.
Nalibutan din sabi. Bukit ka na.
So, tapos na yung activity namin for today. Nag-dinner lang kami. Tapos, bumili kami sa grocery. Kasi, magluluto na kami ng breakfast para bukas. And then, nasya kami dito sa parking dito sa downtown Banff. Kasi, may sinabi dun sa parang meter, sabi niya, calculating tariff.
Nag-tariff yung parking?
Kasi, yun na namin yung, yung ano namin, yung plate number namin, tapos sabi calculating. So $21 yung nabayaran namin for 2 hours. So yeah.
Tapos yung kinainan namin, ang dilim.
Tapos yung restaurant na yeah, yun nga, kinainan namin is sana kami mag-video, pero first time namin nakakain sa ganung kadilim restaurant, pero maraming tao.
Maraming tao?
Feeling ko yung sikat yun na
sikat dito.
Restaurant. Steak and cheese fondue na something steak and cheese fondue. Fondue.
No, napakaganda dito sa Alberta, sa Banff. Ganda.
Yeah. It's very beautiful place.
Beautiful here.
Yeah. So, we're on our way home. Or sa tituluyan namin is 15 minutes drive. It's already 7:45 p.m. So,
temperature dito is 39 degrees Fahrenheit.
So, hindi siya malamig. Pero hindi siya masyadong malamig compare sa Tri-City. Mas malamig pa yung Tri-City.
Kasi mahangin doon.
Oo nga, sobrang hangin. Yeah. Tawag nito. Was a, what do you call this one? Day well spent.
Yep.
Yeah.
Money well spent.
Nagtagal kami dun sa, sa gondola. Kasi umalis kami sa tinutuluyan namin 9:30. Tapos umalis kami doon almost 4 na.
Ano ba?
Yeah.
4 na?
Yeah.
Tapos, kasi nag-hike pa tayo tapos.
Yeah. Namin ginawa doon. Picture. Tagal lang sa picture. So, madami kasi magandang spot na pwedeng picture. Parang gusto mo kunin lahat ng ng view.
Kunan lahat ng spot.
Yeah. So,
ang gabi dito, Canadian Rockies, napakaganda talaga.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's one of a kind place.
I think this is the most beautiful place we've been to, no?
Yeah.
In terms of view and Canadian Rockies, napakaganda talaga.
Yeah, I think dito yung pinakamaganda, tapos next yung Vancouver.
Kasi ito kasi gusto namin yung we are nature lovers. Yeah.
Iba yung feeling pag nature yung pinupuntahan mo kasi parang your heart is full, char. Masarap sa pakiramdam, magaan. So, yeah, bukas punta kami sa Jasper. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon, pero yung sister-in-law ko siya yung nag-plan na pupunta kami doon. For sure, maganda din yun doon. Pero, yeah, mag-vlog kami pagpunta.
Dito sana tayo mag-stay, pero mahal.
Yeah.
Sa Tanong.
Hindi kami masyadong nagpumagastos sa tinitirahan namin kasi magtulog lang din naman.
Uwi lang, matulog.
Yeah, so, doon kami sa, maganda, pero maganda din, pero mura.
Lugar din natin ngayon.
Hindi yung mga
location niya, napakaganda.
High-end na mga place kasi sasayangan kami sa night. Kasi aalis ka ng buong araw ko din wala sa sa tinutuluyan mo. So, yun. Yeah, I think we'll end this vlog here.
Yeah, so ito yung vlog, part ng vlog.
Yeah. So, we'll end this vlog here kasi pagdating sa apartment, sure na pagod na kami lahat.
Tulog na.
Mag-freshen up na, tapos tulog na. Tapos, yun. Yeah.
Abangan nyo yung coming parts pa.
Yeah.
Kasi we're staying here for a few days. So, yun. Kasi pag sinama namin lahat, ang taas na. So, I will make like part 1, part 2, part 3. Maganda talaga ng Alberta. Itong area na to, wow, napakaganda talaga. So, we'll try to show you as much as we can of this place. Ayun.
So, yeah.
So, yun lang muna ang vlog namin ngayon.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching. God bless you all and stay safe.